So join your hands and close your eyes. Silence, students. Do not tell me whatever we did in the previous period. You have understood. Did you revise? Did you read the textbook, students? You wish.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read it? What we discussed the different types of immunity.
Yes, ma'am. But I have a
Okay.
doubt, ma'am.
So just ask them.
Ma'am, can you please explain the structure of the antibody and the function of
Okay.
paratope and
Okay.
epitope?
Did you draw the diagram in the notebook, everyone? Everyone, did you draw the diagram of the antibody molecule given in the textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many chains are there?
Two.
Two chains. What are they called?
Heavy chain and light chain.
Light chain. Okay. So heavy chain is of the Y shape. And to that upper part of that Y shape you find the smaller chain is attached, that we call it as a light chain. So you wish, do you have the diagram with you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see in that diagram and you have to draw it in the in your notebook also. So two heavy chains and two light chains are present in the antibody molecule and they are joined together by the disulfide bridges. So can you see how many disulfide bridges are marked there?
Three. Ma'am, three. I think.
Did you get it? You know that lower part is joined by the disulfide bridges and the upper part only one bond is there. Okay, so we denote it by the H2 and L2. Then we discussed that what are the different types of the antibody molecule. So there are 5 different types of the antibody molecule. Did you note down, everyone? Speak up. Did you note down what we discussed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now these antibodies, they are produced by which cells?
B lymphocytes.
B lymphocytes. Very good. Okay, and what are the different types of the T lymphocytes?
Three types of B lymphocytes.
Aditya, little louder.
Three types.
3 types. Okay, can you name them?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Natural killer T cells,
Correct.
helper T cells,
Okay,
and suppressor T cells.
suppressor T cells. So remember the function of the helper T cell is to help the
B
B cells
cells.
B cells to produce more of these antibodies. Okay, and this antibody structure we have understood. Now this antibodies
Ma'am,
one. Yes, yes.
difference in antigen and antibody.
Okay. Now see, antigen is the pathogen. Remember, any foreign body which enters the body will be made up of some chemical. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whether it is a living organism or any other chemical substance which is entering the body will be made up of some chemical. Okay, and that only we call it as कोई भी foreign material, foreign organism enter होगा ना वो antigen कहलाता है. ओके, और उसके रिस्पॉन्स में जो केमिकल प्रोड्यूस होता है दैट वी कॉल इट एज एंटीबॉडी एंड विच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द बी सेल्स. So is the difference between the two very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya, so what is antigen?
Ma'am, antigen is the pathogen that has entered in our body, and
Ha,
antibody is the response from our immune system.
very good. Okay, that is the protein which is produced by the B cells when the immune system get.
Ma'am, antigen has a different DNA material.
Antigen will have all will have bacteria is there, fungi is there, viruses are there. They are all different. They fall in different groups, so they will have their own genetic material and they will have the different genetic constitution. Okay,
Sure.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, clear Aditya now?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो अब जैसे ही बी लिम्फोसाइट स्टिमुलेट होंगे तो बी लिम्फोसाइट्स विल प्रोड्यूस दिस एंटीबॉडी. Okay, and you know we have discussed in the last period that B lymphocytes will produce first the plasma cells, and those plasma cells will start producing these large number of these antibodies जिसका structure Y-shaped structure है, and that is represented by H2 and L2. Okay, and they are of 5 different types. Okay, their function is what? That the upper part of this Y-shaped structure is having that antigen binding site. तो जो भी pathogen होगा, जो भी antigen होगा, that will bind to that site, and remember it will bring about this antibody molecule will bring about the conformational change in its structure. Did you get it? The conformational change in the antigen. और जैसे ही कन्फर्मेशन बदल जाता है एंटीजन का तो इट विल नॉट बी कॉजिंग एनी हार्म टू द बॉडी. Followed?
Yes,
Yuvesh,
ma'am.
did you understand this much?
And can you repeat, ma'am?
I said that how do they function? So antibodies have got the antigen binding site. When you see the figure, you will find the upper part is having the antigen binding site. तो कोई भी पैथोजन एंटर होगा तो वो एंटीजन बाइंडिंग साइट पर बाइंड हो जाएगा. मीन्स वो अपने आप नहीं बाइंड होगा, मीन्स द एंटीबॉडी विल बाइंड विद इट. और जैसे ही वो बाइंड होता है तो इट विल ब्रिंग अबाउट द कन्फर्मेशनल चेंजेस इन इट. कन्फर्मेशन चेंज होना मतलब कि केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर बदलना. और किसी भी केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर, किसी भी केमिकल सब्सटेंस का अगर केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर बदल जाता है तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट विल नॉट परफॉर्म द फंक्शन विच इट वाज परफॉर्मिंग. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे प्रोटीन्स में अपन पढ़ते थे ना कि प्रोटीन को अगर हीट अप कर दो तो उसके बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक हो जाएंगे, पॉलीपेप्टाइड्स वो अमीनो एसिड जो जॉइंट है, प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी स्ट्रक्चर वो सब डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, तो वो मतलब उसका कन्फर्मेशन बदल जाएगा एंड देन इट विल नॉट बी परफॉर्मिंग इट्स फंक्शन. एंजाइम्स हीट अप हो जाते हैं तो उनका कन्फर्मेशन बदल जाता है. तो सेम थिंग द एंटीबॉडी विल डू. Okay, antibody will change the structure, change the conformation of the antigen, and antigen will become then functionless. It will not harm the body. इस तरह से वो destroy कर देता है antigen को and helps in developing the resistance. Is it clear to everyone? युवेश,
Yes,
आप कोई डाउट है तो बोलो युवेश.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, ओके. अब ये दो तरह की we discussed the cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. Are you remembering? Last period we discussed humoral immune response and cell mediated immune response. We also call it as humoral immunity and the cell mediated immunity. So the immunity which is developed by the antibodies, that will be called as humoral immune response. क्यों? क्योंकि antibodies are present in the blood plasma. They are present in the blood plasma. And remember, the body fluid only we call it as humor. What you call it? Humor. तो blood एक humor है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे क्योंकि उसके कारण ही वो immunity develop हो रही है. That immune response is shown, so we call it as humoral immune response. और cell mediated क्या है? Which is shown by the
T lymphocytes.
T lymphocytes. Okay, क्योंकि T lymphocytes क्या कर रहे हैं? वो B lymphocytes को
They are
induce.
secreting cytotoxic acid.
They are secreting. Okay. So now this way we have that. So all these organs, you must have read it in the book that how the rejection is there, transplantation. वो भी अपन ने discuss किया था that the rejection of any organ is due to these cells only. Okay, and that's why the immunosuppressants are given. Did you all read the page number 152, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, did you all read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or active immunity, passive immunity, very clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have to discuss about the vaccination and immunization. Next topic in your textbook is vaccination and immunization. So vaccination, who will tell me quickly? जल्दी से एक बार बता दो वैक्सीनेशन का प्रिंसिपल क्या है?
And
हाँ
one vaccine has the a pathogen in inactive form. So
हाँ
when it is injected in our body, then our
Correct.
body forms these antibodies to fight against them, and
Okay.
after in further long time period, if the pathogen again enters in our body, then
हाँ
the proteins which were formed earlier, they now
हाँ
as memorized fight those
Okay.
pathogens and save our body from that disease.
हाँ
From
very good. So memory cell, हाँ memory cells will identify the same pathogen. फिर वो क्या करेगा? Yes आस्था?
it fights them. It
हाँ it will
changes them.
fight with it and destroy it. इस तरह से that pathogen will not be able to cause the disease. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can
So
you
that is
describe
about
once?
हाँ see vaccination या immunization it's very important. आप याद रखें what is the principle, what is the mechanism behind it. तो mechanism उसका ये याद रखना है कि whenever any pathogen enters the body, तो immune system responds to it. You know that. Okay. अब वैक्सीनेशन में क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर पर्पसली इंजेक्टिंग व्हाट?
The pathogen in inactive form.
हाँ इनएक्टिव फॉर्म या पार्टली एक्टिव फॉर्म में हम उसको इंजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. अब व्हेन दैट पैथोजन विल बी इंजेक्टेड you will find that it will stimulate the immune system. Okay, immune system will do the same work, that it will start producing the antibodies. Okay, antibodies, what they will do, they quickly bind with that pathogen, partly active or attenuated, which you call it, and it will destroy it. Okay, that only we call it as the first response. Okay, or the primary response. Now what will happen? अब वो primary response के साथ ही memory cells will be formed and they will remain in the body for the whole life. Okay, अब any time, any age, if the same pathogen enters the body, तो remember those memory cells, they have the memory, उनको याद है वो कि कैसे उन्होंने encounter किया था, उस pathogen को destroy किया था. So they will quickly again start producing in a very large number the same type of the antibodies, and they will start the same fight and they will destroy it. So the pathogen will not be able to cause the disease.
Ma'am, we have to write this whole principle.
Yeah, you'll have to write down the whole thing. So vaccination comes in, means vaccination, how many types we find? Means it comes in which type of immunity it will develop, I mean to say.
Acquired.
एक्टिव, हाँ acquired तो है, acquired है लेकिन उसमें एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी डेवलप करता है वो कि पैसिव?
Passive.
पैसिव. ओके, एक्टिव कि पैसिव? अब जल्दी से बताओ. Who will
Active.
Active.
हाँ, why active?
Ma'am, because it is given in the childhood period or at the starting time, so that we
हाँ
will have our body will generate memory cells against it.
हाँ, means the immune system itself is getting activated. Is it clear? You have to say that why you are calling it as active immunization, क्योंकि हमारा immune system activate हो जाता है. Okay, and that is only fighting with that particular pathogen. So we call it as active immunity. And what are the examples of the passive immunity? For what all diseases we give the passive immunity?
Snake bite.
Tetanus, snake bite.
हाँ, okay.
fever,
Again.
ma'am, rabies,
हाँ, okay. So many diseases we listed
Rubella.
that.
Rubella.
हाँ, ओके, इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं,
Current fever.
प्रिपेयर्ड एंटीबॉडीज डालते हैं। व्हेन वी से पैसिव इम्यूनिटी मींस व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, उसमें हमारे बॉडी के इम्यून सिस्टम का कोई रोल नहीं है। Is it clear? What we are doing? We are injecting in the body the prepared antibodies, that is pre-formed antibodies. वो antibodies जाके तुरंत उस एंटीजन से बाइंड होंगे, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देंगे. So you find that it will be very quick. It will be very quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of the immunity is quick?
Passive.
पैसिव वाला, ठीक है. ओके, तो अब इसके साथ ही एक और टॉपिक उसके बुक में दिया हुआ होगा आपने, इफ यू हैव रेड इट, दैट व्हाट इज कोलोस्ट्रम. So it is very important that, हाँ,
Ma'am, why they have differentiated between this active and passive immunity? We can also get the we can also use this passive immunity vaccine at earlier ages.
अगेन नहीं, क्यों अपन उसके बेस पे कर रहे हैं ना, उसके मैकेनिज्म के बेस पे अपन ने उसको तो फिर डिवाइड कर दिया कि अगर इम्यून सिस्टम उसको हेल्प कर रहा है इम्यूनिटी डेवलप करने में, तो वी विल कॉल इट एज एक्टिव. हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम का अगर कोई रोल नहीं है तो फिर हम उसको पैसिव बोल देते हैं.
मैम, तो मैम ये जरूरी थोड़ी कि हमें पैसिव इम्यूनिटी कभी यूज में आए. अगर किसी कुत्ता खाया ही नहीं तो उसको फिर रेबीज का इंजेक्शन लगवाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
हाँ, दैट्स वेरी ट्रू, व्हाई नॉट, दैट इज वेरी ट्रू. वो तो जब जिसकी जरूरत पड़ती है तभी लेंगे. ओके, लेकिन हम लोग एक्टिव इम्यूनाइजेशन के लिए हम लोग बहुत सारी डिजीजेस के, तो बिकॉज दे आर फेटल डिजीजेस, तो वी आर डूइंग द इम्यूनाइजेशन. ओके, और पैसिव इम्यूनिटी की जरूरत, पैसिव इम्यूनाइजेशन की जरूरत तभी पड़ती है व्हेन द पर्सन एनकाउंटर्स दैट. ओके,
पहले देना पड़ता है पैसिव में पहले देना पड़ता है ना, चिटनेस हो जाती है उसके बाद थोड़ी देंगे.
हाँ, तो लेकिन जब पता चलता है कि ये चांसेस है तभी तो देते हैं ना.
और मैम अगर फालतू ही लगता है तो उससे कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स रहते हैं क्या? जैसे अगर अरे
नहीं
होना ही
नहीं,
नहीं हो.
वो प्री फॉर्म नहीं, वो तो एंटीबॉडीज हैं, बॉडी में जाके कुछ हार्म नहीं करेंगी. वो उस
मैम वैसे टेटनस का भी तो इंजेक्शन लगता है ना इसके लिए बेसिस पे.
का भी लगता है,
हाँ,
तो वो आगे के भी लगा देते, वो भी पहले लगा देते. सही बात. तो
तो
उसमें
मैम
भी
अभी तो ये गवर्नमेंट में आया था कि टेटनस का इंजेक्शन साल में एक बार लगाना चाहिए.
हाँ, अब वो क्योंकि उतने समय तक वो एंटीबॉडीज काम करेंगी, रह जाएंगी
हाँ.
बॉडी, दे विल बी हेल्पफुल. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज गिवन. तो गवर्नमेंट ये सारे निकालती रहती टू फॉर द प्रॉपर हेल्थ ऑफ द पीपल. ओके, नाउ डिड यू रीड अबाउट कोलोस्ट्रम इन द टेक्स्ट बुक?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, if we are talking about passive immunity, so ma'am, is it necessary to say about only antibodies or sharing antibodies? Can't we say that we can share those platelets or organs?
again your question.
Ma'am, if we are talking about passive immunity, so ma'am, is it necessary to tell about sharing those
हाँ,
antibodies? Can't we say that, ma'am, we are sharing organs and platelets?
तो organ transplantation is a different thing totally. ओके, इम्यूनिटी में हम रेजिस्टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट शेयरिंग ऑफ द प्लेटलेट्स एंड ऑल, सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ओके, वो तो फिर अपन सेल्स डाल रहे हैं, प्लेटलेट्स डाल रहे हैं, वो एक अलग काम है. ओके, ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांटेशन इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my I am clear to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You are asking that only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. तो वैक्सीनेशन के साथ ही माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज, सो आई विल बी आस्किंग फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच आर गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक so that I can understand whether I've studied or not. So how many students have read in the book what is colostrum? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. If you have read the
Yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation.
okay, correct. So it is the initial, that is a milk, only yellow colored milk which is produced by the mother during the initial days of lactation. मतलब
Can you repeat, ma'am?
just after the birth of the child, na, the first milk which is produced by the mother, that is by the mammary glands, it is very thick and yellow in color. ओके, और उसी को अपन बोलते हैं कोलोस्ट्रम. Is it clear? Now, what is the importance of it? Remember, and why
Ma'am,
it's
what we say, ma'am,
what? Should I repeat?
ma'am, what we say to that milk? Can you spell?
Colostrum. 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 This is very frequently asked question. What is colostrum? So colostrum is the फर्स्ट मिल्क और द इनिशियल मिल्क, इनिशियल डेज में प्रोड्यूस होने वाला मिल्क बाय द मदर जस्ट आफ्टर द चाइल्ड बर्थ. रिमेंबर, जो सबसे पहले जो प्रोड्यूस होता है मिल्क, दैट इज, एंड व्हाट इज इट्स मींस properties, it is thick and yellowish in color. So why does it happen and what is the importance of it? Remember that it contains the antibodies. Now try to understand, once the child is born, the first nutrition which is given to the child is mother's milk only. Okay, and when the child is born, you know that the child is exposed to so many microorganisms all around. Abhi tak to the baby was in the womb of the mother and was in the protected environment. Okay, but once the child is born, child is facing this environment, and all around so many pathogens will be there. Are you understanding, everyone? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
और immune, हाँ, और immune system means the child's immune system, that infant's immune system will take time to get activated to those pathogens. तो तब तक वो एक्टिवेट होगा और एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस करेगा. तब तक के लिए उसको प्रोटेक्शन देने के लिए, रिमेंबर दिस मदर्स मिल्क विच इज गिवन, दैट is having the pre-formed antibodies. That milk is containing what?
Preformed antibodies.
The large number of the antibodies, and which type of antibodies are present? Remember it. It is IgA. Which antibodies are present in the mother's milk? That colostrum,
IgA.
IgA. Okay, and they will produce. They will be protecting the child from all those pathogens. Is it very clear to you what is colostrum and what is its importance?
Ma'am,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
why it said that for a limited time period only mother's milk is given to the child?
Little clearer, आदित्य. माइक थोड़ा सा पास करो आप.
Ma'am, why it is said that for a specific time only mother's milk is given to the child? Nothing anything.
हाँ हाँ.
Ma'am, why? Only mother's
I'm
milk.
not. Your
not
voice is
anything
cutting.
else.
I'm not getting your question clear. थोड़ा सा आवाज ठीक.
Ma'am, why it is said that for a specific time the child has to be take the mother's milk, not any
हाँ.
other anything else?
हाँ, because that time the child's digestive system is not that strong कि कुछ और digest कर पाए, इसलिए mother's milk देना होता है. Mother's milk is best for the baby. Okay, फिर
What
धीरे
about
धीरे
water?
digest. हाँ,
Water.
water is given ना. Water is also given.
Okay.
Okay, लेकिन कोई और डाइट नहीं देते, मिल्क ही देते. अब मदर्स मिल्क इज अवेलेबल तो इट्स गुड, अदरवाइज अदर मिल्क इज गिवन. Okay, for that also you know that cow's milk is preferred, isn't it? अब cow's milk is also not available, फिर कोई भी मिल्क जो अवेलेबल है वो दे दिया जाता है. लेकिन इनिशियल डेज में मिल्क ही देते हैं. द चाइल्ड इज फेड ऑन मिल्क ओनली. फिर जब डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है, फिर धीरे धीरे देन द चाइल्ड इज गिवन अदर things. Okay, so shall I take up the next topic? Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now the next topic which is given in your book is, so one thing more I discussed, are you remembering the autoimmunity? When I was talking about the immunity, I told you that the immune system is बहुत important principle याद रखना. Immune system recognizes the self and non-self. ये statement अच्छे से याद रखो. The whole immune system is working on this principle only, that is recognizing the self and non-self. Okay, अब अगर ये fail हो जाता है, if the immune system stops recognizing the self and non-self children, तो what will happen? वो अपने ही cells को पहचान नहीं पाएगा, अपने ही cells को destroy करने लगेगा. Is it clear? And that only we call it as autoimmunity or autoimmune response. Did you get it, everyone? समझ में आया? Very important. What is autoimmunity? So what is autoimmunity? When this will happen? when the immune system of the body stops recognizing the self and
Non-self.
non-self. Everyone noting or not? Alima, can you repeat what is autoimmunity?
Ma'am, when the immune system stops recognizing self and non-self, then it
Correct.
starts destroying its own cells, and it's called autoimmunity.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. So this way now there are some diseases. So rheumatoid arthritis is such a disease. ओके ऑटो इम्यूनिटी का एग्जाम्पल अच्छे से याद रखना है रूमेटाइड आर्थराइटिस. सो इन दैट व्हाट हैपेंस बॉडी के मसल्स ना इम्यून सिस्टम डिस्ट्रॉय करने लगता है और धीरे धीरे पूरे डीजेनरेट होके पर्सन स्टॉप्स. उसका कोई क्योर नहीं है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि अगर इम्यून सिस्टम बॉडी का इम्यून सिस्टम दैट इज ओनली द हेल्पिंग इन डेवलपिंग द रेजिस्टेंस, ओके, एंड हेल्पिंग इन फाइटिंग विद द फॉरेन बॉडीज अदर पैथोजेंस. अब वही अगर अपने ही सेल्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करने लग जाए तो देन इट कैन नॉट बी क्योर्ड. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑटो इम्यूनिटी और ऑटो immune disease is there, that is rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, now one topic given in your book is allergy. Did you all read that part, allergy? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, तो एलर्जी का जल्दी से लिख लो टॉपिक, पुट टुडेज डेट एंड राइट डाउन एलर्जी. So I won't give much time for this allergy topic. Number one, why does the person suffer from any allergic reaction? You all know it very well. ये topic बहुत common है. Everyone heard that this person is having allergy of because of this and that. Okay, so Anjali Bhil will tell me that what is allergic reaction.
Ma'am, the opposite reaction of opposite action of the antigen.
Opposite. What do you mean to say opposite?
Unwanted.
Unwanted. Anyone else? If you can clarify a little bit more.
Ma'am, immune response from our body from that thing that is usually not harmful for our body.
Okay, which is not to something, certain things which are not harmful to the body. ठीक है? Anyone else?
Ma'am, special response of the immune system to certain antigen present in the environment.
हाँ. Okay, so that is the, ये होता क्यों है याद रखो, that is the hypersensitive. Okay, when the immune system becomes hypersensitive, so it starts showing some exaggerated responses. मीन्स कुछ बिगड़े हुए रिस्पॉन्सेस शो करने लगता है, कुछ एबनॉर्मल रिस्पॉन्स शो करने लगता है टू सर्टेन थिंग्स विच आर एक्चुअली नॉट हार्मफुल. सो दोज abnormal responses of the immune system, you call it as, and that is due to the hypersensitivity of the immune system. Did you note down, everyone? This is caused due to the allergic reactions are the exaggerated responses. Okay, exaggerated or abnormal responses of the immune system to certain antigens. The allergic reactions are the exaggerated responses. Exaggerated responses.
Spell. Can you spell?
EXA double G EXA GGE RATED. Exaggerated responses of the immune system to certain antigens which are normally not harmful. And then write down, it occurs due to hypersensitivity. It occurs due to hypersensitivity of the immune system. तो ड्यूरिंग द एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस जो होते हैं वो किस एंटीबॉडीज के कारण होते हैं? तो यू कैन राइट डाउन दैट दीज आर प्रोड्यूस्ड, दीज एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस आर प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू द IgE type of antibodies. These reactions are produced, allergic reactions are produced due to IgE type of antibodies. So did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So my
ma'am.
first question is, so first thing what you should know, what is allergy or what is allergic reaction. Okay. Second thing then you will have to remember what are allergens. What are allergens? So allergens remember जिसके कारण वो एलर्जी हो रही है या एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं, we call it as allergens. So you can write down allergens. What are allergens? The substances which produce the allergic reactions. The substances which produce the allergic reactions, we call it as allergens. So can you name the allergens? You know very well कि अलग अलग चीजों के लिए अलग अलग लोगों को एलर्जी हो जाती है.
It may be a flower.
Manjul, name some.
Pollens.
Ma'am,
Okay,
insecticide.
Aditya said pollen. Manjul, now next.
ma'am, chalk maybe.
Huh? Chalk. Okay, chalk powder. Then number 3. Alima.
Insecticide.
Alima.
Ma'am, fur,
I can't hear. Huh?
feather,
Again.
feather.
Feather.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. और बोलो.
Ma'am, maybe perfumes.
Perfumes also. Okay.
Ma'am,
Preservative.
Nandini.
ma'am, dust.
Dust. हाँ, very common. That is a dust. Okay, dust एक एलर्जन बहुत ही common है. और बोलो.
Ma'am, some preservative.
Preservatives also. हाँ, that also causes allergy. Okay.
Insect bite.
हाँ, कुछ इंसेक्ट बाइट से, कुछ वेजिटेबल्स से भी हो जाता है. आपको पता है कुछ लोगों को लहसुन से एलर्जी है, किसी को प्याज से एलर्जी. दैट इज आल्सो वेरी कॉमन. ओके.
Yes,
एंड देन
ma'am, peanuts.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
peanuts.
mango.
Correct. And some people cannot go in the sun. They have the allergy because of that sun rays also. And then animal dander. That is also whatever you come across, you can name that these are all the allergens. Okay. Now the next thing is what are the symptoms of the symptoms of the allergic reactions. So quickly tell me what are the symptoms of the different allergic reactions. क्या होता है एलर्जी अगर होती है तो?
Ma'am, sneezing.
Sneezing.
Ma'am, itching.
Itching is very common. Okay.
Rashing.
Inflammation.
Again.
Inflammation.
Rashing.
Rashes you are saying.
Rash.
हाँ, rashes are there. Okay. और बोलो. Watering of the eyes will be there. Then
running nose.
running nose is there. ठीक है. और एक बहुत common है, that is breathing problem. You know that sometimes due to allergy the person has the breathing problem also. Okay, so these are common symptoms. Some may have the blisters also, isn't it? तो ये सारे allergic reactions के symptoms हैं. Okay, now how the allergy can be treated or how it is diagnosed? Can you tell me how is it diagnosed? This is, you know, children, very important topic, and what I am asking, these things only you have to remember. So what are those? बता सकते हो कि एलर्जी को कैसे पहचानते हैं कि किससे एलर्जी हो रही है?
वो तो एलर्जी होने के बाद पता पड़ेगा ना.
बिल्कुल सही है ना. तो वो डॉक्टर्स के पास आप गए, एलर्जी हो गई, एंड देन यू गो टू द डॉक्टर. हाउ डॉक्टर विल कम टू नो दैट यू आर हैविंग एलर्जी बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट थिंग? व्हाट इज द एलर्जन? वो कैसे पहचानते हैं? डू यू नो एनीवन?
ये सबके अलग सिम्टम्स होते हैं ना.
हाँ,
तो जैसे मैम परफ्यूम से है तो स्नीजिंग होगी.
हाँ.
और मैम स्किन पे इफेक्ट है तो जैसे सनरेज है तो स्किन पे इफेक्ट हो सकता है. तो मैम एलर्जी बेस्ड
जरूरी नहीं है. नहीं, सिम्टम से बिल्कुल नहीं पहचान पाते. यू नो
मैम
सिम्टम
शायद उसका फूड
हाँ?
चेकअप वगैरह ऐसा कुछ होता है.
टेस्ट करते हैं, ये ध्यान रखो, व्हाट दे डू, उनका सिर्फ हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड रहता है टू चेक द cause of allergy. Na, they do just the hit and trial method. You all know at different places they will give you the same जो common and allergens हैं, that will be only injected into the body. Okay, putting the mark on the body, they will be injecting. Are you understanding what I am saying? They will be injecting into the body the common allergens. ओके और वो एलर्जिन से अगर जो एलर्जिक रिएक्शन है और बढ़ रहे हैं और वो शो कर रहे हैं, तो देन दे विल कम टू नो कि आपको एलर्जी किसी चीज से हो रही है. So that is the method of finding out that person is having the allergy because of which allergen. Did you understand? Astha, clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So how they find out? They are exposed. Remember, the patients are exposed to or they are injected the very small doses of the different
allergens.
different allergens. और फिर जब रिएक्शन आते हैं तो समझ में आ जाता है कि yes, the person is suffering from this.
Why there are different reactions?
It will depend upon that which system that is affecting. So that's why different. किसी को आँख में पानी आएगा तो किसी को रनिंग नोज होगा, ओके, किसी को रैशेस हो जा रहे हैं, बट रिमेंबर दैट द कॉमन एलर्जन में बी देयर. ओके, सो दैट हैपेंस बिकॉज जो पार्ट जो सिस्टम अफेक्ट हो रहा है बॉडी का, विच इज शोइंग द हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी, दैट विल ओनली बी दो सिम्टम्स विल कम अप. अब ना हाउ द एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस कैन बी सप्रेस्ड. ओके, एक तरीका होता है कि यू हैव टू अवॉइड दैट यू ऑल नो वेरी वेल that for the allergy there is no cure. लेकिन जिस समय वो allergic reactions हो रहे हैं, that time immediately it has to be suppressed. So that is suppressed by giving the antihistamine and adrenaline and steroids. What three things are given?
Antihistamine.
Antihistamine, then adrenaline and steroids. तो जल्दी से वो symptoms जो हो रहे हैं, जो दिख रहे हैं, they will be suppressed. Did you understand, everyone?
Ma'am, anti what?
Antihistamine. Antihistamine.
Ma'am, spelling?
Okay, H-I-S-T, then add up amine, A-M-I-N-E, histamine. You know, these histamines are produced by the mast cells. Okay, और उसके कारण एलर्जी होती है, तो उसका एंटी, that is antihistamine is given.
मैम जब हम एंटीहिस्टामिन टैबलेट खाते हैं फिर नींद क्यों आती है?
That is to relieve. Okay, सारा सिस्टम ना, always remember, बहुत सारे ड्रग्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें नींद आती है. तो whenever you are sleeping ना or you go to sleep, your all the systems ना they start working in a different speed. तो वो दिया ही इसलिए जाता है कि you get relaxed and all the systems work in a proper way. आप जब एक्टिव रहते हैं तो सिस्टम्स की स्पीड अलग रहती है, मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट अलग रहता है, बट व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप योर ब्रेन, that is the waves, your heart beat, everything, and your metabolism rate, they all get changed. Their speed
are there side effects of antihistamines?
थोड़ा तो साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. ओके, ये एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस में इन ड्रग्स में रहेगा. ओके, बट देन टू सप्रेस क्या करेंगे? इमीडिएटली कुछ तो देना है, क्योंकि एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस बहुत इंटेंस हो रहे हैं, तो डॉक्टर हैव टू गिव दैट. ओके, so we have done this. So this topic is over. My first question was what is allergy or allergic reaction? Why does it happen? Next, what are allergens?
Can you treatment of antihistamines and then
again
ma'am can you again tell about the treatments? First is antihistamine, then
adrenaline and steroids. Adrenaline and steroids. Okay, so steroids, you know, they are so harmful to the body, so they have to be given in very less amount. Okay, now, so did you understand all the topics what we described about the allergy?
yes ma'am.
Okay, now the next thing, remember, which is very frequently, are that why nowadays the people are suffering from allergic reactions more. पहले लोगों को इतने एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस नहीं होते थे, आजकल बहुत कॉमन है that people are suffering from allergy. So why does it happen? Because remember, the immune system is becoming more and more sensitive. Okay, that is the hypersensitivity of the immune system is increasing day by day. आज छोटे छोटे बच्चे, the children, those who are isolated, means they are living, they are means forced to stay in such an environment which is such that they are not exposed to the environmental conditions. वो बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं, उनको कभी सॉइल से कांटेक्ट में नहीं आते, कभी बाहर की एयर के कांटेक्ट में नहीं आते. तो रिमेंबर द पैथोजेंस विच आर ऑल अराउंड इन द एनवायरनमेंट वो कभी बॉडी में एंटर हो ही नहीं पाते. एंड फ्रॉम द वेरी चाइल्डहुड रिमेंबर हाउ वी गेन द रेजिस्टेंस, one by one for different pathogens when our body or immune system is exposed to those pathogens. तो याद रखो, हम बचपन से बच्चे को क्या कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग पैथोजन के लिए एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं. ओके, और बाय नेचुरल वे उसके एक्टिविटीज से, एनवायरनमेंट में निकलने से वो अपने आप एक्सपोज होता है. एंड व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज एक्सपोज, दोस पैथोजेंस आर एंटरिंग द बॉडी naturally. Okay, or naturally what is going on in the body? The immune system is getting activated and that immune system will produce the antibodies also. और वो सारे एंटीबॉडीज उस समय फर्स्ट प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्स दिखा के फर्दर वो किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं फिर बॉडी में थ्रू आउट द लाइफ?
मेमोरी सेल्स.
मेमोरी सेल्स. इज इट क्लियर? तो ये एक हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम का नॉर्मल मैकेनिज्म है. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लाइफस्टाइल? The child is not exposed to the
allergies,
outer environment or the common allergens or the common pathogens.
What is the connection between vaccination and allergies?
Vaccination and allergy. Vaccination is done, that is, it is inject, in that we are injecting the pathogens, attenuated pathogens of some important diseases. Okay, but allergy, so it is for certain things which are not harmful. Okay, vaccination तो हमको पता है कि ये चीजें harmful है, ये pathogen cause करते हैं disease, so we are developing the resistance against those pathogens. That is vaccination. But allergy is what? It is the allergy in this immune system उसके लिए show कर रहा है allergic reaction या hypersensitivity, जो normally तो harmful है ही नहीं. परफ्यूम हार्मफुल नहीं है, किसी को अगरबत्ती नहीं सूंघते बनता. ओके, दे कैन नॉट टेक दैट फ्रेग्रेंस. तो वैसे बाकी लोगों को तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो दे आर द हार्मलेस थिंग्स. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
ओके, सो व्हाट हैज टू बी डन? मींस द बॉडी शुड बी एक्सपोज्ड टू द आउटर एनवायरनमेंट so that the immunity can be developed for all these all these things, that is the common pathogens, common allergens which are there. तो जब हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी नहीं होगी तो एलर्जी भी नहीं होगी. एलर्जी बहुत कम लोगों को होती है, आपको पता है, जो ज्यादा ही सेंसिटिव होता है. पर बोलते हैं ना बहुत सेंसिटिव है इसलिए इनको एलर्जी हो रही है. ओके, वो बाहर का पानी नहीं पी सकते, सफर पर जा रहे हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल हैव टू बाय द water, they cannot drink anywhere water. And you have seen some people wherever they go, they don't carry the water, जहाँ जो मिलता है वो पानी पी लेते हैं, and they don't suffer from any disease. So why does it happen?
They are at the early stages. They have the antibodies of that.
हाँ, they are, अपन बोलते हैं उनको आदत है उस चीज की. तो आदत का मतलब क्या है? मतलब उनके इम्यून सिस्टम वो पहचानता है उन सारे पैथोजेंस को, और वो पैथोजेंस के मेमोरी सेल्स उनकी बॉडी में है ऑलरेडी, क्योंकि उन्हें पहले पिया है, वो पैथोजन जा चुके हैं और इम्यून सिस्टम ने उनको फाइट करके वो मेमोरी सेल्स बना लिए हैं. तो वो कभी भी पीते रहते हैं तो उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है. इज द होल थिंग क्लियर टू यू? हाउ इम्यून सिस्टम इज वर्किंग? So our time is up. I'll take up the immune system in the body, the topic. You'll just read it and the AIDS topic in the next period. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So
Yes, ma'am.
we'll end up the class. It's already 51. I stop the recording.